Here at the University of Tulsa, we're located near historic Route 66. We're spread out over 230 acres, and our facilities team is responsible for 3.2 million square feet. One of our higher performing buildings would be our Case Tennis Center. It's one of the largest solar-powered athletic facilities in Oklahoma. Due to the aging workforce here, we've got to be very creative in how we get the information to the technicians. So if we don't have the information, then it's hard to operate, maintain, and improve, and that's what we're here for. The University of Tulsa has multiple campuses, some spread out all over Oklahoma. So if we're across town and we're working on a piece of equipment and we need some data, in the past we've had to drive back across town to go to our print room and dig for some time of what might have been hours for the information. One way that we've been able to make our guys more efficient is by digitizing all of our archives and blueprints, making those readily available remotely from their mobile.
So our techs are usually working on a variety of stuff. We have an old university, 130 plus years. So we have a bunch of new buildings, we have old buildings, old equipment, new equipment. So a lot of it comes down to using technology to run down those parts, find what we need, find those specialty items, or if those special items are no longer available, figure out what those replacement items are.
So I think that the most unique relationship with the facilities department and technology is you're taking somebody that has a vast knowledge and mechanical abilities from what has been, and someone who's interested in, at the same time, where we're headed. Some of the technologies that we've used across campus, there's our autonomous, I call them lunch boxes. They deliver your food on wheels from various different vendors in our student union. They'll travel across campus, even to an apartment complex, to bring your lunch to you or latte. Our autonomous mowers provide service to our lawns day and night continuously, and so this will in turn support our landscape team.
We was at a basketball arena, and they had a basketball tournament going on, and the outside lighting shut down on them. Had no lights for our fans to leave, so we had to have that back up. So I was at home, pulled it up on my phone and gave them directions where to go, what electrical room to look for, restored it back on, and we got the lights back on for them. So our building engineer could do it from here, and we didn't have to call anybody in that night to take care of it.
You're just holding your crew back if you're not putting this technology in their hands. Your crew wants to be this efficient. You can put the information in their hands so they can show up and fix it efficiently or improve that piece of equipment or overtake that challenge efficiently, then I think you've done your job at the end of the day.